how to share your highlight on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to share your highlight on Instagram. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Instagram and go to your profile. Now click on your highlight. Mine is how to media. Now click on the share icon and you choose if you want to share to WhatsApp, Instagram, direct message, or your groups on Facebook or anything. And this is it, guys. This is how you share your highlight on Instagram. It's so easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.